Time to experience cutting-edge performance with this 8.5-inch miter saw by XL. Designed for precise angles, clean cuts, so this is perfect for all professionals and even DIY enthusiasts. Guys, before I start talking about the miter saw, let me just introduce you to this XL miter saw stand, which is universal as well. Guys, I would 100% recommend this because it's going to make your life very awkward if you're not using a stand, because your results aren't going to be professional compared to using a stand. So anyway, let me show you how to put the miter saw on here. So I'm just going to place the miter saw exactly here. You will get 4 screws that come with the miter saw stand to lock in place. So I've placed the miter saw on the table. As you can see, it's locked in, it's not going anywhere. So let's talk about the product spec. It's got a powerful 1500 watts motor, which is perfect for smooth and curved cuts. First of all, this is a sliding miter saw. For those people that want to be doing 12-inch, 14-inch and 18-inch cuts, this is the perfect miter saw for you. Also guys, there's a very good safety feature here, which is this small button here. So when I pull that, press the trigger, that will turn on. But if you don't pull this little button, see, it's just not going to turn on. So this is a very good safety feature. So we have these adjustments here for the sliding fences here. So when you're cutting, the wood will be in one place, not all over the shop, unless you don't like your fingers. Let me just mention again the importance of a miter saw stand. So in my case here, this wooden plank, I need to make sure it's in one place. So I've got these rollers here. I'm going to tighten them and adjust them so they don't go anywhere. Obviously guys, in your case, you're going to have different heights and different lengths. So like I said, make sure this wood doesn't go anywhere. The miter saw also comes with a clamp, so all you have to do is just put it in here. So it's time to test out this bad boy, but first of all, safety first. Safety glasses and gloves. So guys, let's check them out. Smooth. Also guys, the saw has a red laser here, so while you're cutting, it makes it much more accurate. So this is a single combine miter saw, which does bevel cuts to 45 degrees, however, only to the left. But if you're looking to do double bevel cuts that does left and right, we've got its older brother. Check it out on the link above. To keep the saw in one position like this, there's a bevel lock at the back to make it tight. So to make clean bevel cuts, make sure you remove the fence like that and then tighten this way in order to cut through the wood. My God, that is the cleanest cut I've ever made in my life. Hey, you tradesmen, watch out, I'm coming. So guys, you've seen how clean the cuts are with this fantastic machine. Also guys, bear in mind that you can do 45-degree cuts at 90-degree angles with these miter saw angles here. In order to do that, unlock this, press this button, and then you can change whatever angle you would like to work on. And don't forget to lock the miter table for better stability. There's a button at the back. If you just lock it in like that, see, it locks in like that. So to make your life easier, if you hold this handle here, you can carry this everywhere you want instead of holding it from the back or the front. Also guys, the miter saw does come with a dust bag, which is always useful. So to change or remove the blade, there's a spindle lock button right at the back. Then you can change it with the hex key. To experience this miter saw yourself, you can get this for only £99. However, I would recommend buying the miter saw with the miter saw stand as well for only £165, which is a must. And the link will be below as well. So if you want to see more products like this, please subscribe on our channel. And if you like my bevel cuts, please give us a like.